In the name of God, hello everyone. My name is Mehdi Kordnavasi. In this movie is the fifth movie of chapter 5 or the last part of the chapter 5. Are we all agreed? Service design part 1 and the relationship management process in the ITIL concept. In this movie, I will go to talk the design coordination. There is quite a lot going on in the service design stage. It makes common sense to coordinate it. If you have a program or project office in your organization, you may be familiar with the rules it has in high-level planning and coordination of projects. The design coordination process performs similar activities for your design projects. Service design activities are often carried out as projects or are part of other projects. In ITIL definition, the purpose of the design coordination process is to ensure that the goals and objectives of the service design stage are met by providing and maintaining a point of coordination and controls for all activities and processes within this stage of the service life cycle. Here is a brief look at the activities of the design coordination process. The activities of the design coordination processes are divided in two groups: those applied to all design activities and those applied to a specific design. Overall activities: defining and maintaining policies, standards, and guidelines, and ensuring they are used. Planning the resources needed for service design activities. Managing design risks and issues. Improving service design. The activity performed for each design. Planning, coordinating, and monitoring individual design. There are 3 separate activities, all aimed at ensuring the smooth management of a project to create the design of a new or changed service. Ensuring the production of the SDP. Remembering SDP is a service design package, is a package of documents that define all aspects of the design and requirements. SDP from documents and inputs provided by the application and technical teams involved in the design activities.
Welcome back. In this chapter, we'll discuss the second stage of the service lifecycle, which is service design. At this point, you might be wondering what's involved in service design. The service design stage evaluates business requirements, their supporting practices, and management tools in order to guide the service provider in fulfilling its service strategy. Service design creates plans, processes, and procedures characterized by business demands for quality, reliability, and flexibility. The first purpose of service design is to design IT services that work together with the governing IT practices, processes, and policies to realize the service provider's strategy. The second purpose is to facilitate the introduction of these services into supportive environments, ensuring quality service delivery, customer satisfaction, and cost-effective service provision. To accomplish these purposes, service design aims to achieve the following objectives. The first, and most important objective of service design is to design IT services so effectively that minimal improvement will be required during their life cycle. The second is to meet current and future agreed business requirements by providing guidance for the design of approved and innovative IT services. And the third is to deliver the service design package, which is the primary output of this stage of the service lifecycle. The scope of service design is encapsulated in the second objective. ITIL Service Design provides all the guidance for the design of appropriate and innovative IT services to meet current and future agreed business requirements. This includes guidance for designing, managing, supporting, and maintaining each new service, the infrastructure, environment, applications, and data. Now that's an expansive scope. To plan and design for all those activities, the following processes are considered important for successful service design. Given that all 8 processes of service design will take a significant investment in time and resources, why should a company spend its money this way? In other words, how can service design provide value to the business? The answer is, the value that a well-coordinated and efficient service design will add is remarkable. Service design provides value in the following ways. It helps companies reduce the total cost of ownership. It provides the quality of service and the consistency of service. It eases the implementation of new or changed services. A thoughtful service design also improves service alignment. Finally, service design improves service performance by making sure that capacity, availability, and IT service are in the same place at the same time when needed. Value comes from adopting and implementing standards and consistent approaches for service design. These produce value because they produce well-coordinated and efficient service design. And a well-coordinated and efficient service design is built using 5 main design aspects.
Identifying service design rules. Each service management process should have a process owner and a process manager. For the relationship management process, the relevant process manager rules are service level manager, service catalog manager, supplier manager, and design coordination manager. Each rule is responsible for the activities described in the appropriate section of this chapter. In addition to the process-related rules, you may want to consider some general service design rules. These are associated with the design activities such as gathering and analysis of requirements and the subsequent productions of design. These rules are IT planner and IT designer or architect. Okay, we reached at the end of this chapter, and I hope you enjoy by watching this series of movies. Thank you very much.